A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. In the previous video I have shown that how to download and install endnote, and in this video I will show you how to add a reference to your MS Word file using endnote. Okay, now I have opened endnote. The first step I will make a library new. If you change this name or not, it's not necessary. Click save. At the first stage we have to find our reference file. For example, if I need to add the reference of this research paper, here is a lots of method through which you can add a reference to your MS Word file through endnote. Okay, this file is opened. I'll just copy this title of research paper, or we can directly download citation. Click this. Here you need to select the one which you want to download. If I need to download citation only, download. Okay, this is downloaded. Open the folder. Folder is opened. When I will open this, it will goes automatically to our endnote program. Look at this. The citation is directly loaded to endnote. Once you download all your references file, now I will open my all references in endnote. My all references loaded to endnote. Then I will open my thesis or synopsis or research proposal in which I want to add my references. I will just select the area from where I have copied or translated the paragraph, or we can say that if I want to add my reference number here, I will just click here, then go to endnote. Okay, just click the reference, then you have to select this one, or you can press the alt and then press the 2. The reference will automatically add, but I will do these all things manually. My one reference is added. I can select the style of the reference from here. Okay, let's select the APA style. Look at this, the style is changed. If I want to add another reference to here, I will just select this area, go to endnote and select this insert citation symbol. The reference is added. Click the another area where you want to add the reference. For example, I will select this. Just go to endnote, select the reference, insert citation. Okay, this is now inserted. If you want to change the style, you can make change from here. Okay, let's show you the reference. The reference is added at the end of my MS Word file. We can write here you can add all the references through this method. If you have any questions, you must want to ask in the comments box, or you may can visit www.kksw.webs.com. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Thanks for watching.